In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a 12-volt LED light to battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a 12-volt LED light to a 12-volt battery is typically a straightforward process. The necessary components might depend on the type of 12-volt LED that you are using, but in general, like I said, it is going to be the same. Most commercially available 12-volt LED strip lights or LED modules are designed to be connected directly to a 12-volt power source, as they have built-in current-limiting resistors. So identify the polarity, locate the positive and negative connection points on the LED light. These are usually clearly marked or labeled. Connect the positive lead from the LED light to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery. So connect them together like this, and then of course connect the negative lead from the LED light to the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery. Add a switch or a fuse, which is optional. This is mostly for safety and convenience. Highly recommended to include an inline switch and a fuse on the positive wire, which will allow you to easily turn the light on and off, and the fuse will protect the circuit and the battery from damage in the case of a short circuit. And once you have them connected like this, you are good to go. You can add more lights and so on, as long as you connect the polarities correctly. And it should look something like this if you put them all together. Of course, this is going to depend on the type of LED light that you are using, but like I said, in general, the process goes like this. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.